Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is my own unboxing of the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. You may have already seen a DJI Mavic Mini unboxing and first impressions. Check that out in the link below for Lukasz's unboxing and first impressions. But this is the Tech Travel Geeks Chief Mobile Opinionist's unboxing. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so I decided to purchase the Mavic Mini Fly More combo myself. And the package arrived from Drones Direct pretty much on time. The box is a pretty big, simple one with information on the specifications on the side, links to get the app for remote controlling your drone from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. This is the smallest Mavic drone from DJI. That means that it's one of the foldable ones, very, very portable. And this particular kit comes with an extra couple of batteries, a multi-battery charger, and a few other small accessories. Let's start by opening the cellophane. Whoops! That was quite a wobble. So, cellophane off. Here we go. And cardboard packaging underneath. The top of the box is sealed with a sticker. Let's open that up. And what do we have in here? Right then, so we have a case. I'm assuming this contains the drone itself, with DJI Mavic at the top. There is one box. I'm assuming this is the quadcopter cage for stopping things getting stuck in between the blades. We'll put that aside for now. And in the bottom, there is one mains adapter. Now this is bought in the UK from a UK retailer. I would expect this to be the UK version. Let's see what's in here. Yes, this is a DJI Mavic UK mains to USB Type A. It has a DJI logo embossed on the side. And this specific one has an output of 5 volt at 3 amp. So that's a 15 watt one. 9 volt at 2 amp, which is 18 watt, and 12 volt at 1.5, which is 18 watt as well. So this should fast charge a phone as well as a DJI Mavic drone. What's this? This looks like some documentation. Now, lots of interesting little booklets, but I think I've done quite a lot of online research as well as watching Lukasz's unboxing and first impressions. And this is a box of batteries. Now, this has 3 batteries in the box. As you can see, they come out like this. They should have a holder as well. No, so this is just the 3 batteries, 1, 2, and 3. They are for the Mavic Mini. Let's see what is in the actual carry case. So this is the carry case that comes with the Fly More combo. I'm going to unzip that and open it up. So this is the Mavic Mini drone. This is a small and very portable and very light drone. You can see there's the stabilized gimbal camera at the front, the propellers, which I'll need to open up properly later, and legs which extend. There is the remote control clamp, which I will be clamping to my smartphone to control the flight of the drone. So this is the controller with antennas, which clip up, and smartphone holder which clips out. So your smartphone goes in here, the controller sticks are in here and need to be assembled, and the antennas, they go up like that. So that's pretty straightforward. Some side buttons on the left and the right. There's the right ones for taking snapshots, and a scrolling button for menus and software. So that's the controller. This is the battery carrier. Let's open up that and have a look at it. So there we go. And so the 3 batteries come out of their packaging. And I'm assuming they clip in like that. So let's do that again so that you get a better view of it. So the batteries clip in. And this is an easy way to charge all 3 batteries at once. It's quite a cool battery solution. And it has DJI embossed on the side. As you can see, it has micro USB input as well as USB type A output. That means that you can use these 3 batteries as a power bank as well if needed. But quite a cool solution here for not only carrying and charging your batteries, but also an impromptu power bank. Now, as we saw, micro USB, that's the main way of charging the device. What's this? This is a few sets of extra propellers, just in case you do need them. This is part of the Fly More combo, as well as your cables. Now let's see what cables DJI includes with the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. So these are 2 Lightning to Type-C and Type-C to Type-C. So you can use this to plug into smartphones. Actually, there's 3 of them. There is remote control to Lightning, remote control to Type-C, and remote control to micro USB. So that's for the controller. What other lovely cables do we have? We like cables at Tech Travel Geeks. So this is a micro USB cable for the charger. Assuming that's what it's for. Yes. And 1 more, or 2 more. So what is this? Oh, this is a screwdriver for replacing and working on your propellers and tightening things up. And this is another micro USB cable, so 2 micro USB cables for charging the drone with a battery or the multi-battery pack. And as you can see, it all fits nice and tidily into the case. And what's this that's on here? Leaflet in Chinese about the case. And this seems to be an extra couple of controller joysticks, the ones that we saw recessed here that you can input there. So these are handy to have just in case you lose them. So that is what the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo looks like. And I'm going to put the batteries back in their container and the drone itself. So this is a surprisingly compact solution for traveling with your drone and accessories. As you see, it closes nicely. To give you an idea of the scale, this case is not that much bigger than my Bose headphone case that I use whilst traveling. But that was a very quick unboxing and first impressions of the DJI Mavic Mini from myself. Thank you for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube.